In this video, we attend a French cooking class in Gibsonville, North Carolina, drive some back roads to Myrtle Beach to visit family, and visit Charleston, South Carolina. If you visit Central North Carolina, plan to stay or dine at the Burke Manor Inn in Gibsonville, North Carolina.
When you think potato gratin, of course potato. Here again you can use everything you want. Cream is like a good wine for a dinner. It's going to enhance the experience. Because even if you spray, even if you put butter, when you are going to unmold, it usually is at the last time. So you put all the chances in your can to make sure that you are not going, because nothing is worse when you're ready, or I just have to unmold it and you unmold it and it sticks. And remember, always talk about knife. Even if you have only one, have a great knife. I'll show you. This is about probably 14 ounces. Out of 14 ounces, I'm going to take 4. Gentlemen, say it says 13 minutes.
Having lived in Raleigh, North Carolina for many years, I knew the way to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. But this trip I gave in to the GPS, which always tells me to turn at this country road. At least I got to see part of North and South Carolina I've never seen before. The roads were narrow with multiple turns and lots of trucks. When one GPS said turn left and the other said turn right, I followed the RV-specific GPS for fear that Google would take me to a low bridge or some road that was not friendly to RV travel. I finally made it to a 4-lane divided highway. Now I'm on the lookout for a gas station. I see one that appears to be part of a shopping center, but once I pull in, I realize there's no exit or connecting road into the shopping center. I'm lucky enough to be able to make a U-turn after buying gas to get back out without unhooking the car and making a 3-point turn. I finally arrive at my cousin's house in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Got a nice view from the top of the bridge here. Got a marina over here. I finally made it to Charleston, South Carolina. My first stop is the Angel Oak.
Compartmentalized over and built over to the leaf.
This is Kiowa Beach Access, Kiowa Island Beach Access, and drove out here. I was a little disappointed. They wanted $5 to get in for the day. Nobody was at the gate, so I guess it's off season and they're not charging anybody, not staffing anybody. And the parking lot is falling into the river here, so they've got it blocked off with protective fencing and everything, and lots of construction going on, but there's not really anything to do here unless you're going to have a picnic. So we'll go on to the next stop. We're just out exploring today, trying to find interesting things to do in Charleston area, hitting all of the things that the visitor center sends you to. So we'll see what's next. I finally made it to Callie's Hot Little Biscuit Bakery in Charleston, South Carolina to fuel up for my sightseeing day. Made it down to the Charleston, South Carolina waterfront this morning. I've got my bike out. I'm going to go for a bike ride around town. Be a little easier navigating than taking the car. So I'll probably get some photos along the way, and hopefully be an interesting morning. I've got a monument on the waterfront here to the Confederate defenders of Fort Sumter. I don't plan to take pictures of every statue, but I thought these two would be significant. They're right on the corner in the waterfront park. That's all for this trip.